All right, how you doing? What this video is going to be about is taking this lock, which twisting it busts the crap out of my knuckles and I don't like it, into this lock, which is a lot easier. You can see how I cut extra metal around. I kept this hole only. These 3 holes are all brand new. There's what that looks like on the back side. And now I'll start taking this off. And now remember kind of what my measurements are from the last go around. Right there, right there. It had to be perfect. It's got a large rim. To make it up here. I always cut a little bit more off. Forgot my glasses. There I've marked a line for the center of the hinge. And from the experience of the other hinges, I know I got to cut it pretty much right to this edge. So I'm going to drill 3 holes and then clean it up. And with that done, that is all on this top hinge. I had to grind off an edge right here because it was hitting. This one doesn't seem to be doing that, but I'm thinking I'm going to grind it off anyway, just to make sure I have plenty of clamps.